Hello everyone, my name is Danielle and the love of my life's name is Ethan. Because of COVID, Ethan, my dad, and I are back home in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, social distancing and quarantining ourselves by camping and fishing the UP. We are hitting as many lakes and rivers as we can to catch and eat as many fish as we are able to, and traveling around the UP camping and seeing some of the most amazing views that Michigan has to offer. Please subscribe and follow along on our adventure. This is Danny Ray Lives. Hello friends, I am out in Big Bay. We decided to come out and camp out here tonight and tomorrow. My dad is meeting us tomorrow, but we're gonna go out by the fire, but we just put a movie on and we painted our toenails. Hello. It was a girls' night in the van. The first time like sleeping in the van after putting all this stuff in. It feels so good. I've got lights, I've got power, I've got water, I've got my fridge. The fridge is looking really nice. Did
you show them how much you fit in your fridge?
I don't know. Let's see. Lift it up. I hate opening and closing it so much, but look at how much food we fit into that. That is insane. We fit so much. There's a whole almond milk under there.
For like 1 or 2 people, that would be like a week.
Yeah, that would easily be like a week's worth of food. And then having some dry stock too that you can cook, like that's a week's. I can carry a week's worth of food, I think, in here. We'll see how long the water lasts. I'm very curious to see how long one water tank will last me. And I do have to, my gray water is 4 gallons and my fresh water is 6. So I have to dump the gray water before the fresh water is done. So that will be weird. I'll have to remember that I have to do that, and I'll check it often. But we'll see how long the freshwater tank lasts. I'm very curious if I can. My goal was to be able to live at least 1 week off the grid. Like, have everything I need. 2 weeks would be nice, but for sure 1 week. So I think I got it, but we're gonna find out. Hello everybody. We got out on the water this morning and we are doing some fishing. We're just getting our poles ready and hopefully we'll catch a couple of, I want perch, but what are you trying to fish for, Dad?
Pike.
He wants pike. I want a perch because I want some perch fish fry. I feel like that's really good. But
I heard the perch
we'll
are
see.
kind of over in another.
Oh.
Did you get something?
Ooh, I felt it. I got fucking robbed.
Get him.
No, I didn't. I still got my worm. I still got a little bit of them. Damn, I felt him go. Nom, nom, nom.
Get him. We gotta get some fish, man.
Well, we can't be fishing so close to each other. I'm gonna go to this side.
I'm fishing a whole different thing than you are. Look at that one right there. Bingo.
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 I felt him out. He was like,
Bingo. There he is. need 17 inches to make it legal.
Oh shit, I got one. Oh
So
shit.
we are going to get him.
Oh, I think I just got robbed.
Okay.
Oh no, I should have been on it quicker.
Yep. Well.
No, I still got a little piece of my worm.
All right, little buddy, go back, grow up, and get big. There you go.
Grow up and get big so we can fish you in a year or two. We did catch a really nice,
Legal, I would love to
a really nice perch in there, or pike I mean in there. So that's cool. Yeah, he's a big boy.
Yeah, if you'd have been a nice big walleye, I'd have just brought him in, you know, because I wouldn't worry about tangling up, because it was like, we gotta get him, get him. All right, I'm gonna go out a little deeper, guys.
Out today too, and he caught a little pike. Yeah. Super fun. It's such an exciting thing when you catch a fish. Dang. Yep. Yeah, he's a nice little guy. The lake is so calm today.
Oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous out here. I mean, it's just, how can you not? And, I mean, this is what it's all about, man.
He goes, this is why I came to the UP. I love the UP.
I do, I always do. I mean, the UP has a lot of good
it does, yeah. In the summer.
My kids were born here.
Trying to get him. I don't have my hemos, so I can't.
My
get him.
hemos.
You want a pair of pliers? I got them.
Yeah, he does have
Oh,
pliers.
there's one barb.
Yeah.
Hold on. It might be in the woods here. Pliers.
Yeah, yeah, a little snaky pike.
Dang. Oh, they're good.
And then show the release, Danny. Show the release in the water. Get a good close-up of him releasing it. That's good footage.
Okay. Nice. He's so beautiful and cute. He's a big boy.
It's fun to catch anything.
And I caught a little perch, so that was cool. Just a little guy. They're just hanging out in there. Fortunately, trying to get some fresh air, fresh water. All right, so we got the boat back in, and we are just cleaning our fish up really quick, and then we're headed to. Brittany has a friend who actually we're at a park, but Brittany has a friend who lives right across from here because obviously because of the COVID, the park's not open, so we're gonna stay in this guy's yard. So we're headed over there now, but we're just cleaning our fish at the moment. I'm not a fish filleter, but
Right.
Ethan is trying to teach me how to do it, but I don't like to touch the fish, which is weird because I'll touch, in the inside of human bodies.
Yeah, that's
At
true.
work, like every single day.
Well, fish they're slimy. I mean, they are.
They're slimy. Yeah, Ethan always cuts the head off first. He just slices it right off, and then he pretty much does this.
I've gotten to the point
Oh
where
no, you're missing a little bit of that meat. They are slimy, hard to get a grip on.
Yeah, they're hard to get a grip on.
Those are some big fillets, though. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe he had a little walleye in him. That's hilarious. It was like half digested.
I know, that's crazy.
Oh, look at all the fish in there. Gross.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's cool that they have this. I did not know that they have this.
Well, yeah, that way you don't have to deal with all the guts and the crap.
Our fish fillets in a bag here that we're cooking up. We made what's called a pudgy pie. Brittany has shown me.
They come out. That one come out, I think, perfect.
Oh, really good.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so you apparently put like a pizza grilled cheese. Careful.
A little bit more butter next time.
Yeah, a little bit more butter.
A pizza. It's like a pizza grilled cheese that
you make French toast. You can.
You put it in a little cast iron thing and you put it right over the fire.
Ooh.
It's really, really, really
That
hot.
that is actually gonna be pretty good.
Yeah, I'm so
But yeah, a
excited.
little more butter next time. And
Yum! And then let's see what else we got going on. Got our little fire set up. We're cooking up some potatoes, and we're staying at someone that Brittany knows, his place here, Tom. So shout out to Tom. Thank you so much for letting us stay here, Tom.
Or 87, 89-year-old man.
Yeah, he is just the nicest. He set all this up for us so we could cook. And he cooked us up some venison too, so we're just kind of like camping out here for the night. The parks are all closed, so that he actually lives right across the street from the park, which is cool. Anyway, I'm gonna devour this, and I will talk to you guys probably in the morning. Thank you guys for watching.
now, is any of the other ones in the UP or no?
No.
Oh,
Now I have
lots of nieces and
Not the
nephews.
UP,
Like
but I
said
got
that.
one downstate, and I got 4 in Omaha.
okay.
That's 6. And then my total for deceased.
Like I said, the
And you said you had one boy that passed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
boy and my oldest girl.
Oh, really?
The two